Okay, so fun stuff happened yesterday, and apparently the log that I was supposed to, that I did upload yesterday actually, was without sound because like my microphone wasn't really configured properly. So, I'm gonna give like a brief summary of what I did yesterday and what I did today. So yesterday I finished assembly like this really basic and original part. So I have the Arduino and a Sensor Shield B5. Here I have the battery pack. I already tried with the battery, but that's something that I'm going to talk about later. I have the movement control in here already connected to the batteries and also to the motors down here. I already did the soldering that I had pending from the night before, and I already calibrated and fixed how the sensor was moving because the center wasn't really the center as well. So, I had the motors connected, as I said. I had to actually take them apart from the chassis to solder them properly, and then put everything back together. But still, I'm with the doubt if I did solder them properly or not. That's something that I gotta check tomorrow. So I also got the ground sorted between the motor driver and the Arduino, and I wired up the battery pack. Yesterday night I tried to like pop it up, but apparently it had a battery issue because the batteries that I was using, which are like these rechargeable batteries that I have here, apparently they were empty back then. So I put them to charge yesterday night and I tried them this morning, but still it wasn't fixing. So I'm pending to get a multimeter so that I can check the connections in between the components to see if there is an issue between the power, because I think I may have. So my biggest two hypotheses right now is that I did solder something wrong, and that's why energy is not going to the motors, or that I did messed up yesterday because I didn't put the ground where it was supposed to be in the movement controller. So there's a probability, like a really small chance, that I fried up the sensor. So if that is true, and that is something that I gotta check out tomorrow, well, I gotta get a new one. So yesterday I also wrote like the super basic movement code, which is like going forward, stop, and making turns. And as I said before, I also recalibrated the servo because the real center wasn't where I thought it was. Um, Today I was messing with CAD and Fusion because I got an idea to making like the sensor in a better way, because the way it's provided right now is like, again, with a lot of tape, as I said, like the first day. But also, when I was configuring the base of the sensor, there was a part that I cut too much, so the sensor is really like on one side. If you can see it, it is like one-sided. You know what I mean? So I think I'm gonna 3D print a special base to change the position of the servo and to get it like a special holder for the HC sensor. So tomorrow I will go and check with my university because there are some people that could help me with that stuff, in order to keep going. I'm already working as well in what is going to be like the new chassis, because this one is, as you can see, pretty small. So I have to get a new one in order to also be able to organize it more properly. As for now, I'm gonna keep the crazy wheel going until I can do the first movement tests. After that, I will probably change it to another pair of these same wheels, but I have a lot of ideas. I have a lot of ideas of what can I do, considering the objective that I will talk about that probably next week. I don't really know. So yeah, thank you for seeing the update.